Okay. So all of you please switch on your videos. Jeff, Vinayak, Saiba, Adinan, Ahsan, Alan. Okay, tell me what all things we learned in the last class?
Coke,
Yeah, coke, then
coal tar,
coal tar,
coal gas,
coal gas. These
and
three are
petrol.
the products obtained from?
Coal,
Yeah, these three are the products obtained from coal. Rudra, then what topic we will discuss later?
Story of coal.
Which one?
Story about the coal.
Yeah, that's in the previous class, right? In the last class, we learned this coke, coal tar, coal gas. Then after that, we learned one more topic. What is that? Anandita, can you tell me?
Petroleum.
Yeah, it's petroleum. Okay, very good. Then today we are going to learn more about this petroleum. Okay, tell me, what is this petroleum? Alan, Alan,
Yes.
what is this petroleum?
Rock oil.
Huh? Yeah, the word is from rock and oil. That's okay. What is this petroleum? It's a natural resource, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's a exhaustible natural resource.
Natural.
This petrol and diesel, these two are obtained from this natural resource called petroleum, right? Then how this petroleum is formed? Alia, can you tell me how this petroleum is formed?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
petroleum was formed from the organisms that was dead and decayed under the soil,
living in the sea, right? Yeah.
living, yes, ma'am,
Okay, Alia,
living
continue,
in the
continue.
sea,
Yeah, then
and got covered with the sand and clay.
clay. Yeah.
Millions of years in the sea, the pressure of the air,
Absence of air, high pressure, high temperature, right? Absence of air, high temperature, high pressure. It transforms this dead organisms into petroleum. Yeah. Then where do this first oil well situated? Jeff, can you tell me? Where do this first oil well situated? Which is the name of that place? Yeah, first oil well situated in?
London.
Yeah. I can't hear you. Speak near to your mic. I can't hear you. Huh? First oil well? Not London. It's in Pennsylvania, USA, right? Yeah. Then later in Assam.
Assam.
Yeah, Assam. Okay. Then nowadays, yeah, Hira, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Then we are going to learn this refining of petroleum. Okay, refining of petroleum. What do you mean by this refining?
Taking oil,
Huh?
taking petroleum,
Yeah, or purifying, right? We are going to separate the components from this petroleum. So, refining of petroleum. Is this clear for everyone?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, petroleum, it is a dark oily liquid, right? It is a dark oily liquid. And it has unpleasant odor that we already learned. Petroleum is a dark oily liquid and it has unpleasant odor. And this petroleum, it is a mixture of various constituents such as petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin wax, etc. Okay. So petroleum, it is a dark oily liquid and it has unpleasant odor.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am, what is odor?
odor means smell. Smell. Not a good one, that is unpleasant. And this petroleum, it is a mixture of various constituents such as petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin wax, etc. So all these constituents, they all are obtained from this petroleum. So we are going to separate this all constituents from petroleum. Clear? So petroleum is a dark oily liquid and it has unpleasant odor. Unpleasant odor means it has not a pleasant smell. And this petroleum, it is a mixture of various constituents like petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin wax, etc. Clear? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ahsan, are you there?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you read these points?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Liquid. It has an unpleasant odor.
Hmm.
Mixture of various constituents such as petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin wax, etc.
Okay, fine. So all this about refining of petroleum. Okay. Yeah. Then what do you mean by this refining? Okay. The process of separating the various constituents or fractions of petroleum, it is known as refining. I already told you there are various constituents for this petroleum that we discussed. Which are the constituents? Vinayak, please switch on your video and tell me. Vinayak, are you there? Vinayak, Saiba, Adinan, Agna, Maria, Anugrah, please switch on your video. Okay, Vinayak, tell me which are the various constituents of this petroleum. Yeah? Tell me. I can't hear you. Huh? Okay, Agna.
Ma'am,
Yeah, various constituents of this petroleum.
petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin wax,
etc. So these are the various constituents of petroleum. We are going to separate the process of separating the various constituents or fractions of petroleum. It is known as refining. Okay. So we are going to separate the various constituents or fractions of petroleum. It is known as refining. Clear? Everyone? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then it is carried out in a petroleum refinery. It is carried out in a petroleum refinery. Clear? The process of separating the various constituents of or fractions of petroleum, it is known as refining. Refining, the word itself, purifying. Okay? Purifying. And it is carried out in a petroleum refinery. It is carried out in a petroleum refinery. Okay, clear? Anandita, can you read these points once again?
Yes, ma'am. The process of separating the various constituent of or fractions of petroleum is known as refining.
Yeah.
It is carried out in a petroleum refinery.
Okay, fine. That's about the refining of petroleum. Then many useful substances are obtained from petroleum and natural gas. These are termed as petrochemicals. Okay, petrochemicals. Many useful substances are obtained from petroleum and natural gas. That we already seen. Petrol, diesel, petroleum gas, LPG, etc. So many useful substances are obtained from this petroleum and natural gas. We named these useful substances as petrochemicals. Okay, many useful substances are obtained from petroleum and natural gas. These all are termed as petrochemicals. Clear? Petrochemicals. And it is used in the manufacture of detergent fibers. Which are the detergent fibers that we learned in the first class? Polyester, nylon, acrylic, etc. Okay. So it is used in the manufacture of detergent fibers like polyester, nylon, acrylic, etc. And in the polythene and other man-made plastic. So it is used in the manufacture of detergent fibers such as polyester, nylon, acrylic, etc., polythene, and other man-made plastic. Okay, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then hydrogen gas obtained from natural gas is used in the production of fertilizers. Okay. Hydrogen gas obtained when then from the natural gas, hydrogen gas obtained from the natural gas, it is used in the production of fertilizers. Okay, fertilizers like urea. Fertilizers like urea. So the hydrogen gas obtained from the natural gas, it is used in the production of fertilizers like urea. And due to its great commercial importance, why we call it as commercial importance? Because various products are obtained from this petroleum, right? Yeah, petrol, diesel, then petroleum gas, many things. So due to its great commercial importance, petroleum is also called black gold. Okay, petroleum is also called black gold. Okay, Alan, can you repeat these points?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Many useful substances are obtained from petroleum and natural gas. These are termed as petrochemical.
Okay.
Used in the manufacture of
Mm.
detergents, fibers,
Mm.
polyester, nylon, acrylic, etc., polythene, and other man-made plastics. Hydrogen gas obtained from natural gas is used in the production of fertilizers, urea.
Ah.
Due to its greatest commercial importance, petroleum is also called black gold.
Okay. This due to its great commercial importance, petroleum is also called black gold. Alia, can you repeat these points once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Many useful substances are obtained from petroleum and natural gas. These are termed as petrochemicals.
Mm.
Used in the manufacture of detergent fibers, polyester, nylon, acrylic, etc., polythene, and other man-made plastics.
Okay.
Hydrogen gas obtained from natural gas is in the production of fertilizers, urea.
Used in the
Due to the
production.
great commercial
Okay. Okay, read.
used in the production of fertilizer. Due to its great commercial importance, petroleum is also called black gold.
Okay. That's about this petroleum. Okay. Clear? Okay, tell me, what do you mean by this petroleum refining or refining of petroleum? Hira, can you tell me?
The process of separation of various constituents or the fraction of petroleum is known as refining.
Yeah, petroleum refining. Separating the various constituents or fractions of petroleum, it is known as petroleum refining. Where do this refining take place, Alan?
Refinery.
Yeah, petroleum refinery. Very good. Then, what do we call this various constituents of petroleum? Anugrah? Tell me, what do we call this various constituents of petroleum? They are termed as petro?
Chemical.
Yeah, petrochemicals. Okay, Anugrah? We call this various constituents of petroleum as petrochemicals. Then what are the uses of this petrochemicals, Rudra?
And used to manufacture of detergent fibers
Yeah,
like
detergents, then
polyester, nylon,
fibers,
acrylic,
polythene,
acrylic, etc. Polythene and other man-made
plastic.
plastics.
Which are the fibers?
Polyester, nylon,
Yeah,
acrylic,
polyester, nylon, then acrylic. Then what is the use of the hydrogen gas obtained from this natural gas? Adnan, can you tell me? Adnan. Huh?
What?
Yeah. The hydrogen gas obtained from natural gas, right? What is the use of this hydrogen gas? Huh? Saiba? Saiba, can you hear me? Jeff? Jeff? Jeff, are you there? Okay, can you tell me what is the use of this hydrogen gas obtained from the natural gas? This used in the hydrogen gas obtained from the natural gas. It is used in the it's okay. Production of fertilizers, right? Production of fertilizers like urea. Then, due to the commercial importance of petroleum, what do we call this petroleum?
Black gold.
Yeah, it's black gold. Okay, petroleum, it is known as black gold. Okay, then we are going to learn the different, we already learned that there are different constituents of petroleum, right? Then we are going to discuss this different constituents of petroleum and their uses. Is this clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first one, petroleum gas in liquid form. Okay, petroleum gas in liquid form. That already familiar to you, LPG. Liquefied petroleum gas. Okay, petroleum gas in liquid form, LPG. It is liquefied petroleum gas. What is the use of this liquefied petroleum gas? Used as a fuel for home and industry. If you have any doubt regarding LPG, I think all of you are familiar with LPG. Right? We are using in our homes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So petroleum gas in liquefied form, LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. It is the fuel for home and industry. It is used as a fuel for home and industry. Next one, petrol. Motor fuel, then aviation fuel, solvent for dry cleaning. Motor fuel that is used in various vehicles. Then aviation fuel. Aviation fuel means this use. Aviation means the vehicles that traveled along air. That means aeroplane. So this aviation fuel, also this petrol. Then solvent for dry cleaning. Okay, solvent. Solvent means what? Ellen, what do you mean by solvent? Any idea? No. Yeah, it's just liquid. Okay, the liquid used for dry cleaning, it is petrol. The next one, kerosene. That's also familiar for all of you. Kerosene. It is the fuel for stoves, then lamps, and for jet aircrafts. Okay? Fuel for stoves, then lamps, and for jet aircrafts. So, first one, petroleum gas in liquid form, that is LPG. The next one, petrol. Next one, kerosene. Okay? Then the fourth one, diesel. That's also familiar. It's a fuel for heavy motor vehicles. This is the fuel for heavy motor vehicles and used in electric generators. Fuel for heavy motor vehicles and it can used in electric generators. The next one, lubricating oil. Okay, lubricating oil. Lubricating means, do you know what do you mean by this? Lubrication or lubricating oil.
I'm forgetting smooth.
Huh? Yeah, Alan?
Ma'am, used in machines
Yeah, used in machines for what?
For
for being smooth.
Very good. It's the smooth movement. For the smooth movement, this lubricating oil is used. So it is for lubrication, to make smooth. The next term, paraffin wax. Okay, paraffin wax. It's also obtained from this petroleum. It is used in ointments, candles, Vaseline, etc. Okay, ointments, then candles, Vaseline. All these contain certain amount of paraffin wax. Okay. Then last one, bitumen. That we already learned. What do you mean by bitumen? Very good. It is used in metaling the roads, right? It's a petroleum product. So it is used in certain paints and road surfacing. Road surfacing means metaling the roads. Okay? Clear? So these all are the constituents of petroleum and their uses. First one, petroleum gas in liquid form, that is LPG, and it is used in home or industry as a fuel. The next one, petrol. It is used as a motor fuel, aviation fuel, and solvent for dry cleaning. The next one, kerosene. It is fuel for stoves, lamps, and for jet aircrafts. The next one, diesel. It is a fuel for heavy motor vehicles and for electric generators. Then next one, lubricating oil. That's used for lubrication purposes. The next one, paraffin wax. That is used in ointments, candles, Vaseline, etc. Last one, bitumen. That is used in paints and road surfacing. Okay, is this clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So, Salin. Salin,
Yes, ma'am.
can you read these points?
Which, ma'am? Full.
Yeah.
1. Petroleum gas is gas in liquid from
Liquid
LPG. Liquid form.
form.
LPG.
Mm.
Full for home and
Fuel,
industry.
fuel.
Fuel for home and industry.
Okay.
2. Petrol. Major fuel
Motor
aviation.
fuel. If it's not clear, that's in your textbook, page number 60. Okay.
Motor fuel, aviation,
Aviation fuel.
solvent for dry cleaning.
Okay.
Kerosene. Fuel for stoves, lamps, and for jet aircraft.
Okay.
Diesel. Fuel for heavy motor vehicles, electric generators.
Okay.
Lubricating oil. Lubrication. Paraffin wax.
Okay.
Ointments, candles, Vaseline, etc.
Okay.
bitumen,
Hmm.
paints, road surfacing.
Okay, that's about the constituents of petroleum and various uses. Then we can discuss the next topic in next class. There is one more class today. Do you know that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
30 to
Okay.
11.
We can continue the topic in the next class. Okay, let me take your attendance. Adinan M. Shahjahan.
Present, ma'am.
Yeah. Agna Maria. Agna was there in the beginning, right? Yeah. Then Ahsan,
Present, ma'am.
Aghila, absent. Ellen, present. Anandita, present. Ansel, Andrin, absent. Anugrah, present. Ayman, absent. Then Christo, absent. Hari Krishnan, Harsh Singh, absent. Hira, present. Jeff, present. Joseph, absent. Nigila. What happened to Nigila? Then Asin. No. Alia, present. Rudra, present. Sachin, absent. Salin, present. Surya Narayanan, absent. Vinayak, present. Yubadana, absent. Saiba, present. Lots of absentees. What happened to others? Okay, so thank you all. See you in next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
See you, ma'am. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.